Hello, my name is Nelly Yamile Moya Fandiño. In the undergrad program Administración de Riesgo, Seguridad y Salud en el Trabajo de University Militar Nueva Granada. In the presentation, New York City, located in the country United States. In the sports, in the practiced more popular. In the we can play American football, basketball, in the ice hockey. Tourism. In the recommendation, visit Central Park in the activities, the bicycle walk in the park, a look in the of the gardens. Washington and the appropriate in the wonderful statues. Tourism. In the they can't a Washington statues of liberty. We can a walk of the bridge in the Brooklyn. In the enjoying in day and night in the illumination. We can visit in the skyscraper, in the look and the wonders in New York. Famous in the weekend in the Fifth Avenue. In the weekend by shopping. In the visiting tower room. In the weekend the recommendation the Metropolitan Museums. These museums offer a last y los most important in the world. We can in the museums of the national history natural. I look in the blue world. Souvenirs. The New York we count with souvenirs in the Statue of Liberty, in the closed and halls, pants in the shared malls. In the popular foods, in the hamburger, hot dogs, in the pizza, in the hamburger, beet, milks, cheese, onions, lettuce in the sauces. Thank you so much. I love New York.